Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a visa for China in simple steps. So this is helpful because the process can feel confusing, but the official website guides you through everything. So first, let's search for the official site. Go to Google and type Visa Application Center China. So click the official site visaforchina.cn and choose your visa center location. Pick your country, city on the website so you're applying through the correct visa center. Follow the step-by-step guide. Open the step-by-step guidance and it tells you how you'll submit, usually in person, how you'll collect your passport. So pickup is the safest way to go. So choose your visa type, select the reason you're going, tourism, business, family visit, etc. So this changes the required documents. Next, prepare your documents. The website lists what you need, but usually it's passport, printed application form, passport photo, and supporting documents like an invitation letter if required. And then fill out the online form plus print. And then go to Visa, new application form, complete it and save as PDF and print it. So book your appointment, go to appointment, enter your application number and pick a date. And visit the Visa Center, bring all documents, submit them, and follow their instructions for pickup and payment. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell and see you on the next one.